Welcome to my podcast. Today we're talking about how AI is creating a revolution. AI.
Hey, everyone! Excited to show you how to create full animated scenes using ChatGPT's image tools. Fun stories made easy. No expensive software needed. Let's dive in. First, go to chatgpt.com. On the left side, click Explore GPT, then type Animation Script Builder in the search box. You'll see it pop up, click it, then hit Start Chat. Once you're in the chat, you can explain your project. If you already have a script, paste it here. Otherwise, just describe your idea in detail. For example, I'm going to write a short, simple script. Write a 3D cartoon animation script about a small girl sitting in a cozy, Pixar-style podcast studio, talking about how AI is creating a revolution. Explain everything, like what the background should be, what kind of dress she's wearing, and whether it should be fun or educational. This makes your script even stronger and ready for animation. You can copy the script from here. That's the step 1. Next, I'll ask it to write the script for scene 1. It automatically breaks the scene into shots, and for each shot it includes narration, a visual description, a text-to-image prompt, and an image-to-video prompt. That way, I can copy the prompts directly into any image or video generator. Everything, scene ideas, visuals, and animation prompts is already organized. I don't have to plan shots, write descriptions, or format prompts myself. That's what makes this GPT so useful. It doesn't just help write stories, it streamlines the whole animation process, making it faster, easier, and beginner-friendly. The next step is image generation. I've already generated shot 1, so now I'll copy the image prompt from shot 2 and paste it into the search bar. I'll change the dimensions to 16:9 since we're making this for YouTube. And here's what it looks like. Do the same for shots 3, 4, and so on for all the shots in the script. And then download the image. If the character design starts to change, just re-upload their image and use the shot prompt again. Adding the character image as a reference helps keep the look consistent, and you can repeat this whenever needed. Now we animate each shot. I've opened 𝐖𝐚𝐧𝐧𝐚. Go to the Image to Video option, and then click on the Upload Image button. Go to Chat. There's already a video prompt written out. I'll just copy that. Go back to 𝐖𝐚𝐧𝐽 and paste it in. Then I'm going to click Generate. Go ahead and follow the same steps for each scene. And it's done. Let's check our video. You'll see there's a lip sync option right there. I'm going to click on it. I copied the dialogue from the shot and pasted it. You'll see 2 options, text-to-speech and upload local dubbing. Select text-to-speech if you want 𝐖𝐚𝐽 to generate a voice from typed text. Select upload local dubbing to upload your own recorded voiceover or dialogue file. For the voice type, I want a young girl's voice. You'll get many options here. Click Add to Speech.
Welcome to my podcast. Today we're talking about how AI is creating a revolution. Welcome to my podcast. Today we're talking about how AI is creating a revolution.
Hit Generate. It will take some time. Download the video, and I'll complete the rest of the scenes as well. Let's move on to the next step. Go to Ani Eraser and upload your video. Next, select the watermark. Click Remove Objects now.
Welcome to my podcast. Today we're talking about how AI is creating a revolution.
Click Download. Just like that, all the watermarks will be removed from the videos. Now it's time to put everything together. Go to Microsoft Clipchamp and add all the videos. Once everything is in place, the final step is to export your video. Just click the Export button. Select 1080p. That's it. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.
Welcome to my podcast. Today we're talking about how AI is creating a revolution. AI is transforming how we live, work, and create. From art to problem solving, AI is shaping everything we do.